right, so we had cloud coverage throughout the course of the day today, but some positives out there, and that being that the clouds started to break a little bit. A little thinning out there, some sunshine. There was enough to bring our temperatures up this afternoon. It felt a lot better than yesterday, so we've got that going for us. But now as we go towards the middle of the week, getting closer to it, we do have better chances for rain upcoming. Today, really, this was our only shot, and all it really brought was a little bit of light rain to our northern counties. That's it. Stationary front, not moving. So other than a little drizzle, maybe some mist, it's probably all that you really had today. Otherwise, it was the cloud coverage. Now, we're looking out west because this is our next rainmaker. Now, right now, it's putting snow down in portions of New Mexico and Colorado, but eventually it slides east, interacts with warmer air, interacts with more moisture, and that's why we have a better chance for rain coming up starting late tomorrow and going throughout the end of the week as well. Let's also bring a little bit of light wintry mix to areas of Oklahoma and Texas, especially northern Texas. But this front is kind of what we're going to be waiting on to just kind of move out of the way before the next system has a chance to move towards us. So the rain starts bubbling up further north as we get into Wednesday afternoon into the overnight hours. Heavier rain starts to move in, and then the combination of that low and what used to be Zeta at that point, the remnants of Zeta, will be merging together. So that's why it's not just a little bit of rain. It's a pretty decent shot for a couple of days, looking at potential for at least some minor flooding out there, especially in some of the creeks and the streams that are low-lying. Now, for Zeta itself, as a tropical storm right now, lost a lot of its strength as it moved over the Yucatan, now into the Gulf of Mexico. It's got a little bit of warm water to contend with, and that's going to help it out, but it's also got a little low shear environment, so the combination of the two will let it go back up to hurricane status. Likely making a landfall somewhere near this potential area of Louisiana, that's Grand Isle. And as it makes its way onshore, losing a lot of that strength, that wind, but the rain has to go somewhere. Well, it comes directly for us. And so that's why Thursday is going to be pretty much a washout, and then getting into Friday, we'll finally start to see the system move out and that rain start to wrap up. So cloud coverage continues overnight tonight. We'll see maybe a little bit of light rain or drizzle out there. Could see some clearing in the clouds early tomorrow morning and then thinning out, but then rain really starts to build in at that point. By the time we get to tomorrow evening, the entire state should be under widespread rain. Heavy rain at times, especially going into the overnight and early morning on Thursday. Something interesting, though, is going to happen with this system, and all the models have been picking up on it. One heavy band of rain to our north, one in our southeastern counties, and a dry slot right in the middle, kind of where the two systems are battling it out at this point. So what that means for us is most of our south central counties will start to see rainfall rates come down. But northern counties, southeastern counties, that's where the bulk of that rain is going to sit. And we could be seeing anywhere between 1 and potentially up to 4 inches of rainfall. That 4 inches will be localized, but it will be primarily in the southeastern counties and in that band of rain that's to our north. Everything moves out Friday afternoon. We'll see some sunshine before it goes down. Saturday is going to be a sunny day, beautiful for Halloween. Fall back on Sunday, and then we're getting into next week with plenty of sunshine and temperatures finally starting to rebound.